Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Been a while since I've done it, maybe a week and a half or so, but regardless, I had a bunch of questions come in. Hey, can you update it as we go into the weekend? So here we are, and chart is still fine. Finally started to show that it was human again for a while. It seemed to be superhuman, but finally started to go sideways and then rolled over a little bit, but nothing drastic or anything like that. So just want to update things here more so from the shorter term perspective, because the overall trend and overall chart I've talked about in multiple other videos. So if you want to go back and see that, just scroll back through the video archives of this one. But the one overall concept that I want to start off with, and you've heard me talk about this a million times before, is this purple line here. The 50-day simple moving average. This used to be a crucial level of resistance that the price just struggled to get above, which you could see right there, and then there's many other instances. But now that the price is well above it, this becomes the crucial level of support. And as long as the price remains above the 50-day simple moving average, then the bulls have the upper hand and advantage. And then when you combine in the fact that its big brother, the 200-day simple moving average, has a very nice upward slope to it now, that always helps out too. But for the chart to look the best in terms of just the grand kind of picture of things, you want the price to remain above the 50-day. But obviously, price is well up above it right now, so I'm just pointing that out from just an overall perspective. Now, in terms of shorter term, the level of support that seems to have kind of arisen over the past few weeks is right down here, and this is give or take a little bit. I'm just going to call it $1.46. You can see a couple times below, but then there's a couple of times where it hasn't quite hit it. So $1.46 is going to be that key level of support on the chart in terms of ideally you'd like to see it hold. If it doesn't, no big deal as long as it does hold above that purple line there. Again, the 50-day simple moving average. But regardless, $1.46 level of support that you'd like to see. Now, in terms of resistances, for whatever reason, and we'll go back real quick through the history and see if there. No, really, it just kind of popped up. There's not any exact history with this level. So, but this area right around what I'm going to call right there at $1.64, for whatever reason, there's clearly some sellers up there. Every time the price gets up there, the price does get knocked down. So, this is kind of where the bears are hanging out. This is where the bulls are hanging out. And eventually somebody's gonna, somebody's gonna bust the other one in the mouth, and the price is gonna go in that direction. So it's kind of a wait and see pattern at this point in time. But all in all, $1.46 ideal level of support, and then the $1.64 is where the sellers are at right now. But another trip up there. Hopefully they'll finally have run out of shares that they want to sell, and the price can keep on going. But still, chart's looking great. Love to see this. Higher lows and higher highs. That's the name of the game, so as long as that continues to happen, then no worries. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and check out our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. It's also available in instant download format, so you can get started on it right away if you'd like to. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into yourself and your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was FNMA. Thanks for listening and enjoy your weekend.